Hi everyone, welcome to today's English 10. So hope you all are fine, doing well. So today I came up with a surprise for you. Do you know what is that? Before going to that, let me ask some questions to you. Do you like stories? From the lower session itself, from the KG itself, you are hearing many stories, isn't it? Often your parents will tell the stories, your teachers will stories. Do you like stories? Yes, okay. What kind of stories do you like? There are many stories like about animals is there, about birds, about humans, about queen, about king. Many fairy tale stories is there. Many kind of stories are there, isn't it? So today I want to ask one thing: how the stories become made? How the stories form? Who tell the first story? Do you know about that? So we have many cultures. So each culture saying each story of how the story is formed. Okay, so today I came up with a story of a woman who searched for stories. A woman who searched for stories. The story name is Mother Tell Us a Story. What is the story name? Mother Tell Us a Story. This story is happening in a beautiful village called Zululand. That's in Africa. It's a beautiful village with beautiful people, animals, birds. So the main culture of the people in Zululand village is the people is catch fishes or make the ground to grow crops or catch crabs and wash the things to use in daily life. So the people living with the things that they are making, or they are catching fish, crabs, or they make meat. They caught the animals and take the meat. Like that, their living is going on. The main specialty of this Zululand people is carving the wood. That means making some pictures or some furnitures from the wood. So the main man of carving, or the smart man or the best man that is doing the carving is Zenzele. Who? Zenzele. The Zenzele's wife name is Mansa. So there is the beautiful village called Zululand, and there is a small family, a beautiful family. Who are living there? Zenzele, his wife Mansa, and their children. So that story is happening where? Zululand, Africa. In which home? Whose home? This is Zenzele's home. So one day Mansa's children, or Mansa and Zenzele's children, asked Mansa to tell a story. If you want stories, you will ask your grandparents or your parents, isn't it? So here Mansa's children asked Mansa to tell a story. When you are asking stories to your teachers or parents, what do you get? They would tell the stories, isn't it? Why? Because they knew the stories. But here, our Mansa don't know any stories. Our Mansa don't know any stories. So Mansa's children were asking for stories, and here Mansa, she don't know any stories. So her husband, who is Mansa's husband, Zenzele said to Mansa, I will look after the children. You go out from the home and search for the stories. What Mansa's husband told her, I will look after the children. You go and search for the stories. So what Mansa do? Mansa take a basket, fill it with some food and wear a good dress and went off to search for stories. So who were in the home? Sensile and his children. Who went out for searching the story? Mansa. So Mansa is walking through the way to search stories. Then first Mansa met one person or one animal. Who is that? Mansa met a hare. Which one she met first? A hare. And Mansa asked the hare, a kindly hare, do you know any stories? My children is asking for stories. What Mansa asked hare? Dear hare, do you know any stories? What the hare tell then? Stories? Oh, I know millions of stories, but I have no time to tell it. I have many things to do. So you just look any other one to get the stories. The hare is telling what? He know millions of stories. The hare is saying he know millions of stories, but he has no time to tell it to the Mansa. And the hare went from there. Then Mansa understand one thing. Hare is lying. The hare is lying. He don't know anything. He is simply saying he know millions of stories. Mansa understand hare is telling lie. So Mansa began to walk again. So the first one who met Mansa, the hare. And the hare, did hare tell any stories? No. So Mansa began to walk from there. And secondly, she met a baboon. She met a baboon. So Mansa asked the baboon, dear baboon, do you know any stories? My children is asking for stories. Then baboon said, stories? I have no time. I want to look after my children, get them warm and get food. I have no time. What the baboon said? He also don't have time to tell the stories. He want to look after the children. So Mansa understand baboon also don't know the stories. Then Mansa didn't stop there. She again began to walk. That time she has seen an owl is sitting on a tree. An owl is sitting on the tree. What is the owl doing? The owl was sleeping. The owl was sleeping. Then Mansa went to the owl and asked, owl, do you know any stories? My children is asking for stories. Owl was sleeping, isn't it? Owl get up from the sleep very suddenly. And stories? Why you are asking for stories? The humans are every time asking for something or searching for something. Why are you disturbing me? The owl was shouted. The owl was shouted. How? The owl was sleeping. Mansa disturbed owl's sleep. So the owl said, the humans is like that every time searching something. I don't know any stories. And owl went back to her sleep. The owl went back to her sleep and she didn't know any stories. Then Mansa again walk. And on the way, she met an animal. Is that an elephant? Is that an elephant? Mansa has seen an elephant is there eating banana. And she went to the elephant and asked, "Kind elephant, do you know any stories?" My children is asking for stories. So the elephant turned, "Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know any stories, but I know one person who know all the stories. That is Eagle, the king of the birds." So what's the elephant said? "Oh, Mansa, I don't know any stories, but I know one person who, the eagle would know the stories." And why the elephant saying the eagle would know the stories? How the eagle flying on the sky? High flying, isn't it? They can see everything in the air. When the eagle flying on the sky, they can see everything in the earth. So the elephant said, maybe the eagle would know the stories. So I will take you to the eagle. Then Mansa went to the riverside and has seen the eagle is catching a fish. Mansa went to the riverside and seen the eagle is catching a fish. Mansa called, "Kind eagle, do you know any stories?" So when Mansa called the eagle, the fish get out from the beak of eagle. Eagle was little bit angry. Otherwise, the eagle came to Mansa and asked, "What do you want?" Then Mansa said, "Dear eagle, my kind eagle, do you know any stories? Do you know any stories?" My children is asking for stories. The eagle said, "I know everything that is happening in the earth. I can see everything what is happening in the earth. But I don't know any stories. I can see the things what happens in the earth, but I don't know any stories. But I can lead you to a place where you get stories." What the eagle said? The eagle don't know the stories, but eagle can take Mansa to a place where she can get stories. So eagle said, "Mansa, you wait near the riverside. I will come back now." Then eagle come back with the thing or an animal. What is that? Who is that? A turtle, the big sea turtle. So the eagle said, "This turtle can take you to the place where the land of the spirit people." The turtle would take you to the land of the people and of the spirit people, and from there you will get stories. So the turtle tell Mansa, "Get on my backside and hold on my shell. I will take you to the place." Which place? Land of spirit people. Why the turtle taking the Mansa to there? Yes, when Mansa can get stories from a land of the spirit people. So Mansa sit back on the turtle, and the turtle when go into the river in the deep ocean, where into the air up to the end of the ocean. So when they reach down, Mansa was surprised. She was amazed to see the place. Why? The enter of the water under the ocean is a beautiful place. There she has seen one queen and one king is sitting on a magnificent chair, and their faces were full of brightness. Mansa was little bit frightened, and she stand before the king and the queen. Then the king asked Mansa, "Why you come from the dry land to here? What you want?" So Mansa said, "Dear, very respectful king, I need stories. Every evening my children is asking for the stories. Please give me some stories." So what's the king said? "Okay, I'm ready to give you the stories, but what will you give to us?" What the king said? The king is ready to give the stories, but instead of that, Mansa want to give some things to the king. Mansa said, "Oh dear king, what do you want?" The Mansa asked the king, "What do you want?" The king said, "I didn't see your place, so I want to see the people, trees, birds, animals and the village of you. Can you take a picture of your village to me?" What is the king's need? The king is ready to give the stories, but instead of that, Mansa want to give a picture of her village to the king. Then Mansa said, "It's okay, king. I'm ready to give the picture because her husband is a very expert in the carving of wood." So Mansa sit back on the turtle again. The turtle take her back to the shore, and Mansa said to the turtle, "You have to come on the next full moon day and take me to the king." And Mansa came to her home and tell her husband, "The king is ready to give stories, but instead of that, he want the picture of our village." Sincere, her husband said, "It's very easy, dear. I will do it." And Sincere, he carved her the pictures of trees, birds, animals, people, and her village from the wood. And Mansa take this picture, and turtle came. She sit on the back of the turtle and go into the ocean to the king. Mansa gave the picture of her village to the king. The king was happy. Wow, what a beautiful picture. After that, the king has given one shell to the Mansa, the shell. So when the king said, when the children want the stories, you just keep the shell on the ear and you can hear the stories. So at last our Mansa get stories from where? From the king. And Mansa take the shell from the king and sit back on the turtle. The turtle take her to the riverside. Then Mansa went back to home, and that evening her children asked for stories. What she do? She take the shell and keep it on the ear and hear the story and tell the stories to the children. That's the story. Mother tell us a story. Shall we go for a natural of the story? Look at the board. Mother tell us a story. Section 1. What happening in the section 1? Mansa and her husband Sincere and their children were living where Zululand, Africa, a beautiful village where people found meat or their catches crabs, fish for their livelihood or cows, pictures from the wood. And Mansa's husband, Chancellor, is an expert person for carving wood. So in the first section, Mansa and her children asked Mansa to tell stories, but Mansa didn't know any stories. So Mansa's husband Sensei tell, you look for the stories, I will look after the children. Then Mansa went out from the home and started to search stories. So first, to whom she met? Yes, a hare. She met a hare. She asked the hare, do you know any stories? My children want stories. But what's the hare said? I know millions of stories, but I have no time to tell that. And hare went from there, but Mansa understand that the hare is lying. Then Mansa walked from there. Which next one? She have met a baboon, Fene the baboon, and she asked for the stories to the baboon, and the baboon also said, I don't know the stories, and I want to look after my children and have no time. The baboon said she has no time to tell the stories. Mansa again walked from there, and next she has seen an owl is sitting on the tree and sleeping. An owl is sitting on the tree and sleeping. Then Mansa asked the owl for stories, and dear owl, do you know any stories? My children need stories. What happened? Owl was shouted. She became angry. Why? She was sleeping. What the owl said? Humans are always like this, searching for something, and you disturb my sleep. And that much said, owl went back to the sleep. The owl also didn't say any stories. Then again Mansa walked from there. On the way she has met an elephant. So Mansa asked the elephant, a kind elephant, do you know any stories? What's the elephant? I don't know any stories, but I know one person who knows the stories. And who was that? An eagle. So next Mansa met with the eagle in the riverside. So what the eagle said, I know what is happening on the earth. I can see everything in the earth, but I don't know stories. But the eagle said, I don't know stories, but I know a place where you can get stories. And to go there, Mansa want to get on a turtle backside. So eagle called his friend a turtle to Mansa, and the turtle take Mansa into the ocean, where the land of the spirit people. The land of the spirit people. Who were in the land of the spirit people? A king and a queen. When Mansa reached land of spirit people, she has seen a king and a queen sitting on a magnificent chair. Then the Mansa asked the king and queen for the stories. The king was ready to give the stories, but instead of that, Mansa wanted to give a picture of her village to the king. So Mansa agreed that. Again she went back on the turtle. Turtle take her to the riverside. Mansa went back to the home, tell her husband about it, and husband make the picture of the village. Mansa's husband make the or carve it from the wood, the picture of the village. Then Mansa again went back to the land of the spirit people. At that time, king has given the stories to the Mansa, how the king has give a shell to the Mansa. So whenever she needs stories, she want to keep the shell on her ear and she can hear the stories. So that's the story. Mother tell us a story about Mansa's children asked for stories. So Mansa didn't know any stories. She went out from the home in search of stories, and she has met many animals on the way. Which are they? A hare, a baboon, an owl, an elephant, an eagle. In that, a hare, a baboon, and owl never helped Mansa. Who helped Mansa? An elephant. Elephant suggested whom? An eagle. Then the eagle suggested the turtle, and the turtle take Mansa to the land of the spirit people, and then from there she get the shell of stories, and she has given the village picture to the king, and that's how Mansa get the stories. So mother tell us a story. So here at the end of the story, Mansa gets stories. So whenever her children ask for the stories, she is taking the shell and keep it on the ear. She hear the story and tell to her children. Thank you.